Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 Settings app crashing when you try to open it. First, we will try repairing the Settings app. Click the Start menu and type Settings. When it appears in the search results, right-click it and select App Settings. Scroll down and click the Repair button. Wait for Windows to complete the repair process. Then try opening the Settings app again to see if it works normally. If the Settings app is still crashing, return to the same app settings page. This time, click the Reset button. Once the reset is complete, test the Settings app again. If the problem continues, the next step is to repair Windows system files. Open the Windows search bar, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Allow the scan to finish completely without closing the window. After the system file checker scan is finished, type the following command exactly as shown. Press Enter and wait for the scan to complete. This process may take several minutes, depending on your system. When both scans are finished, restart your computer and check whether the Settings app opens correctly. If the issue is still not fixed, there is one more method to try. Open the Windows search bar, type Services, and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and locate Sensor Service. Double-click it to open its properties. Change the startup type to Automatic. If the service status shows stopped, click the Start button. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Once completed, try opening the Settings app again and check if the crashing issue has been resolved. Thanks for watching.